In this lesson, the students are doing 10 less and 10 more. The example problem was that Tony had 2 boxes of markers. We know that each box has 10 markers, as you can see up here in the top. So if Tony has 2 boxes of markers, we're going to draw that out. He has 1 box of markers, that's 10. Second box of markers, 20. So Tony has 20 markers. Now we want to find out how many Pat has. We can draw out Tony's 10 and then cross off Tony's 20, sorry, and then cross off, and we know that Pat has just 10. If we look at the pattern, we can count by tens now. 10, 20, Jan has 30. Or they can draw Tony's 20 and then add a 10, 30. That's 10 more. So we know that Pat has 10, Tony has 20, Jan has 30. And you can see here in the model and draw problem that we started out with the number 33. And we want to find the number that is 10 less than 33 and the number that is 10 more than 33. You can see the model is drawn it out here that they have their 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. And then they think, well, 10 less is the same as 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Cross off my 10, leaves me with 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23 is 10 less than 33. And then the same thing over here, 10 more, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, draw myself 10 more, count it up, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, so I know that 43 is 10 more than 33. And something else that the students might notice is that if they look at the tens, there's 3 tens here, 2 tens here, and 4 tens here. So it's 2, 3, 4 tens. Looking at that tens and then counting by 10. So they might say 23, 33, 43, so on. So here the kids can use mental math. If they need to draw it out, that is perfectly acceptable. I would rather them draw it out and get it correct than not draw it out and miss it. And so here they know that they're starting with their number. Oh, I'm sorry. Here you can see that they're starting with their number 70. So 10 less. It's like they're doing that imaginary circle, cross it out, and then count it up. They have 60. So that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then they can count at 60, 70, 80. If they need to, again, it's perfectly acceptable to draw it out. So they can start with their 70. They can erase or leave it, whatever works for them, and then draw it out that they have their 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 10 more would be 80. 41, starting with 41 over here. 10 less, pretending that they're crossing out 10. That leaves them with 10, 20, 30, 31. So then they can do 31, 41, 51, or if they need to, draw on that extra 10, count it up, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, and so on. Again, some of the kids might catch on to the pattern. They can look at 58, say this has 5 tens, I need 1 less 10, so what's 1 less than 5? 4, 48, so 48, 58, and need 1 more 10, 68 here.